Creators on Instagram and TikTok are gaining hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views from short videos that take mere minutes to make. Can you guess how much they're earning monthly? Take a moment, drop a guess in the comments, and I'll pin the closest one. Here's the answer. They're making between $10,000 to $30,000 a month, depending on how they monetize their channels. Now imagine creating 1,000 short clips in just 20 minutes, monetizing them, and potentially retiring from home. In this video, I'll not only teach you how to create these viral clips but also show you how to scale your brand and monetize your channels quickly using a secret method for scheduling posts across all platforms with one click. This strategy has been instrumental in growing my businesses, and I'm excited to share it with you. I've created a free AI tool cheat sheet featuring over 200 tools, categorized by use case to simplify your journey. It's the ultimate resource for leveraging AI in content creation and business. Download it using the link in the description below, and let's dive into the tools and strategies now. First, we'll use Chat GPT to generate content ideas for shorts. Even the free version of Chat GPT works for this method. Once you've created an account and logged in, ask ChatGPT to generate a variety of short, engaging facts across topics like psychology, motivation, relationships, and productivity. Focus on relatable and shareable topics since these perform well on social media. Use prompts to refine your output and ensure uniqueness. After generating your facts, organize them into a simple table format with topics and text. Next, we'll use Canva for automating video creation. Log in or create a free Canva account. Start by selecting a blank YouTube Shorts template and adding an ambient video background like a beach or sunset. Adjust the video duration to around 5 to 6 seconds for optimal engagement, mute the video's background audio, and create text overlays for your content. Style the text with contrasting colors, backgrounds, and outlines to ensure it's visually appealing and readable. To automate the process, use Canva's bulk create feature. Copy the table of facts from ChatGPT, paste it into Canva's data tool, and link the text elements to the data columns. Set up the timing for your text overlays so that one part appears first, followed by the second. This encourages rewatching, which boosts retention and helps your video perform better. Once everything is set, hit generate to produce all the videos at once. Once you've created your videos, download them as separate files. For added appeal, you can use online tools to incorporate trendy music, making your clips even more engaging. However, the real secret to success lies in consistent and widespread posting across multiple platforms. By maintaining regular uploads, you increase your visibility, engagement, and chances of going viral. This strategy ensures your content reaches a broader audience, helping you grow your brand and achieve remarkable results on social media. For this, use Buffer, a scheduling tool that lets you upload and post content to multiple platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook with just one click. Sign up for Buffer's free trial, connect your social accounts, and use the calendar feature to schedule your posts. Upload your clips, add captions, and share them effortlessly across all platforms. By staying consistent with this process, you'll steadily gain traction and grow your views. After building a strong following, you can focus on monetization strategies to turn your efforts into significant earnings, unlocking the full potential of your content and maximizing your social media success. If this video has been helpful, let me know in the comments, and feel free to share your results on Discord. I'm available there to answer any questions and provide guidance. All the links to the tools and resources mentioned in this video are conveniently listed in the description below. Wishing you the best of luck as you implement these strategies and achieve success with your content creation.